The Rhinowalk 10-liter saddle bag is crafted from durable PVC polyester, ensuring it is both anti-slip and wear-resistant, making it ideal for those who frequently cycle in challenging conditions. Its exceptional waterproof design, with a water pressure capacity of 3,000 millimeters and sealed needle seams, provides reliable protection against heavy rain, keeping your belongings safe and dry. With a generous 10-liter capacity, this saddlebag is perfect for storing essentials needed for medium to long-distance cycling trips, making it a versatile choice for bikepacking enthusiasts. The bag's simple installation process involves 4 secure straps, which when tightened and buckled help minimize movement and maintain stability even on bumpy rides. Enhanced safety features such as reflective straps, a prominent brand logo, and a taillight hook ensure visibility and peace of mind during nighttime rides. Designed for versatility, this saddlebag is suitable for a range of activities, including commuting, outdoor sports, and business travel, fitting seamlessly on road bikes, mountain bikes, and folding bikes.